The Larson Electronics Vehicle Roof Mount Tower LED light offers powerful illumination at elevated heights. The 240-watt light mast is equipped with 4 LED light heads that can be raised up to 13.5 feet. Operators may control the portable vehicle mast, which measures 360 degrees of rotation, using a remote control. A compressor must be installed with the device. This light is capable of emitting up to 22,400 lumens during operation. The 240-watt system features 9-volt to 64-volt DC input voltages for low-voltage use. During output, the luminaries shine a brilliant white light with a color temperature rating of 6,000 to 6,500 K. This unit comes with a 20-foot harness, 16-2 wiring harness with a DT04-2S Deutsch connector and blunt cut end. The fixture's long lifespan and durable build makes it ideal for heavy-duty applications. The lamp's housing is made up of aluminum, while the lens is constructed of polycarbonate. It is IP67 certified, which provides complete protection from dust and water immersions up to 3.3 feet. The lamps use Cree LED units that have been chosen for their high lumen per watt ratio and extreme longevity. These lights have effective lumen output and supports a 70% lumen retention at 50,000 hours. The 4 LED light heads are mounted on a pneumatic mast for elevated illumination. Operators may increase the height of the device using a wireless or wired remote control. Powering the portable mast is a 12-volt DC power supply. For complete coverage of the environment, the pneumatic mast is capable of rotating 360 degrees. This unit is constructed of sturdy aluminum. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.